All right, Kai, so today we're gonna work on pressing up from this laying down position to get us into our spot that we need you to transfer. You are max assist with this. So we're gonna start by putting a book underneath his hand, so it's gonna be a little bit hard of a surface. It's also gonna bring you up a little bit more. So I'm gonna get behind you. So you're gonna do the same motion that we did. I'm gonna have my arm hooked under here, this right here. So on the count of 3, you're gonna use the muscles in the front of your chest to push up through the book and then get on your elbow on that arm. Ready? 1, 2, 3, push. Good. And then we can lay you back down. And we can do it again. 1, 2, 3, push. And we can do this for a little bit just to kind of get the feel. If that was too hard, what I would have you do is just practice activating the muscles in the front of your chest and press into the book like that. Good. Just so you can kind of get a feel that muscle activation should be. And then we're gonna lay you back down. And to progress the movement, we're gonna actually do the transition so we can get a good feel of what it looks like now that we know what we're doing. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, up. Good. And so now you have the whole movement. Full range. So now that we've got you in this position, so what we're gonna do is practice on our sliding technique to get to our legs. I know we had a lot of trouble with this last time. So our intervention today is we're gonna break this into smaller movements, and we're gonna make sure we're really using like catching that momentum, and we make it kind of like a continuous task. So that same thing, push through using the muscles in the front of your arm there, and then this arm to scoot over and doing that big weight shift. Also use your head. Okay, so ready, 1, 2, 3, good, and 1, 2, 3, good, and 1, 2, 3, good. All right, so now let's scoot back, good. So how we would regress this is that I would offshift Kaya and put a pillowcase under her arm to allow it to be a smoother glide as she went. So that way she had less friction. Good. And now let's scoot back. Good. And 2, 3, up. Good. And to make it harder, we would position her on a pillow to mimic almost like a mattress or a softer surface. So the transition was a little bit harder. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. Good.